Merry Christmas, folks. I just picked up this fancy GoPro Max for the channel. It was used for 130 bucks, but I think it's going to give us some good 360 footage of the old Chief. So we got a little break in the weather here. There's some clouds out there, but I think enough we can go flying. I think Jake's going to come along in the mall, and we're going to go screw around a little bit. So let's go flying. Chief is rolling. Jake's going to join us on our little adventure. We're going to head northwest and maybe stop at Oroville and get a bite to eat or something. Are you up, buddy?
You got me on here?
Yeah. Boy, I don't know if we're going to be able to get down into the valley. It looks awful cloudy down there.
Yeah, it looks pretty soupy.
Yeah, we're trying to get down into Oroville, but it looks awful cloudy down there.
I'm going to get over here above Collins and then I'll start making a right turn and maybe we'll just kind of head up along the cloud bank there. All right, roger that.
Look at this cloud bank right here. If you're down in the valley, you're probably not going flying today. Well, we're coming up on Lake Oroville here. We got half the lakes covered in clouds, and the other half's kind of hanging out up top here. Here we are over Feather Falls. It's ripping pretty good. Get down a little lower and see if we can get a good look. Oh, that's going pretty good. Look at that. Good old Board's Bar. Pretty quiet day here at the lake. Not too many people out here. I saw one guy on a boat. Afternoon up here over Nevada County. Look at the way these clouds are just creeping up the foothills here. Pretty soon town will be covered in fog. Probably another 20-30 minutes the airport will be locked in as well. Alright, well that's it for this short little adventure. Hope everybody has a Merry Christmas.
Nevada County traffic, Mall Alpha Zulu, left base, 25, full stop, Nevada County.
You guys have a Merry Christmas and we'll see you in the new year. You enjoy riding along in the old Super Chief? Subscribe up here. And maybe check out one of my other videos. Where's my finger? Right there.